Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now moving on to question number 67. 67. Now the question is, there are 200 cats in cat city. Cats are 200, right? Out of 270 are street. Street cats are 70. Rest are domestic cats. So cats is equal to 200 minus 70, which are 130. Yeah, the rest of the cats जो हैं वो domestic cats हैं. 110 are grey cats. Total grey cats are 110. 30 out of the grey are domestic ones. Means के अगर हम 30 इनमें से cats निकाल दें तो domestic रह जाएंगी, यानी domestic cats is equal to 110 minus 30, which is equal to 80. So here grey domestic cats. ठीक है. How many domestic cats are there which are not grey in cat city? So total domestic cats आपने देखा कितनी थी? Cats total थी 130, right? And grey in city कितनी थी? Grey domestic cats कितनी थी? 80. So how many domestic cats are there which are not grey? तो not grey कितनी हो जाएंगी domestic cats? Cats is equal to, we have to take difference of these two, which is 30 minus 80, which is equal to 150 cats. Sorry, not 150, 50. What is the answer? Answer is C. Alright. Okay, thank you so much.